I've always wanted to be in aviation ever since I was like in the 6th grade. My dad's a commercial airline pilot and it's always been that, and I've never had a plan B from there. I'm going to major in business and get my bachelor's in business, but getting an associate's degree in flight science. Some of the certifications I'll be getting is my private pilot license, my instrument rating, my commercial license, and my ATP. And my dream job is to be a commercial airline pilot for either like American or United as of now, on the location of where I want to go. After I finish this program at community college, I plan on transferring to a 4-year university. I think getting a bachelor's degree will make me stand out from my competitors from getting hired from other companies. I think it's important for women to get into aviation because there's not many of us, and I feel like it's still like a, you know, guys and girls, like they don't think they can be involved and they don't think girls can do it, but I think we can definitely do it. Career education, find it, be it.